Right, so with TradingView is a charting platform. You use this every day for your charts. Um, I usually have it open all day. Now, it's good and bad. So when you register for tradingview.com, if you go to home, what you want to click on is products and super charts. Very slow. And this is what will come up. So this is the chart. Now, on the right side here, you have a watch list. So your watch list is going to look different than mine, but these are all the currency pairs I trade. So how you add these, you click on the plus, add symbol, and search AUD, CHF, and add the Oanda or FXCM. I think I used the Oanda once. So this whole list, I need you all to add. Include the bottom two is XAG USD, XAU USD. So that's silver and gold. You can see them clearer now. So yeah, if you can add all of them, add them to your watch list. So this button here, this little drop down, you want to click on autosave. So the charts save automatically every 5 minutes. Now also, anytime you make a change, you can click here again and it'll save again. So what you're looking at on the chart, each one of those bars is a candle. This candle represents the last hour of price movement. Let's see if there's any other ones we can use. Oh, everything's closed. There we go. So as you can see, on the right side, you have the current price of the US dollar to the Australian dollar. The bright and black is the current price. The time frame underneath is how many minutes are left in this 1 hour candle. The bottom of the screen is the date and time. So if you scroll across, you can see this is the 28th of December at 10 o'clock is this candle. Top left, we have different time frames. So if you click on M, each candle represents a month, all the way down to 1 minute. So that's this small candle now means there's no movement because the candle's moving to the right. And what we use for trading, we actually use them all for different levels. So how you add these, click on the drop down and just favorite the ones I have favorited here by clicking on the star. So next thing is the tools that we use. So the tools that we use is Trendline. So firstly, how you add these, I'm going to show you first. So clicking on this arrow here, you need to favorite all of these tools. So pause the video as you watch back because this will be recorded. So there's a couple of these that we use. That's them all. So what do we do with these tools? Trend line, we draw straight lines with this showing breaks of structures. So here you go, break a structure, break, wrong tool. Then you can draw in here. Just literally, that's all we use them for. The rectangle tool is used to highlight all the blocks. So that's how that's used. You click on the rectangle, click on a zone, pull across, click again. Very straightforward, these tools. Everything is very simple to use. The next tool is a brush, literally used to draw. So highlight highs and lows. Very easy. Then we have a fib, which I'll come back to because it's not needed for a while. We also have a path. So here's a path. So if I ask it, can you show me what you think will happen on the chart? This is what you would use. And then we have a long position. So if you want to predict the market and say, okay, you want to enter somewhere here, you want your trade to stop here and your profit target is here. It shows you the current risk reward of this trade. And if you want to delete it, click and click backspace. And we have the same for a short position. That means a sell. So same again, risk reward, stop loss. The pips 143 minus 22 pips if you're going the other way. What else? So there's a measuring tool that we use. It's used here. Click on measure, click, pull across, and it actually measures the bars. So that meaning candles. It measures the time frame. So 1 day, 20 hours. Also measures the pips. As you can see, this is 100 pips, or 103, 101. Another thing that I use a lot is this call out tool. So if you want to point something out on the chart, especially if you're trying to explain something to someone else. So that's all you need to set up. I'm gonna just pause this recording and start a new one.